Assalamu alaikum and peace be upon you. In today's tutorial we will resume our task from changing the shape of images. In this tutorial I will examine erosion and dilation, which are the two operations used to change the shape of images. Dilation results in the addition of pixels to the boundary of an object. Erosion leads to the removal of pixels from the boundary. To erode or dilate an image, we first define the neighborhood kernel, which can be done in three ways. 1. Morph_rect to make a rectangular kernel. 2. Morph_cross to make a cross-shaped kernel. 3. Morph_ellipse to make an elliptical kernel. The kernel finds the neighbors of a pixel, which helps us in eroding or dilating an image. For dilation, the maximum value generates a new pixel value. For erosion, the minimum value in a kernel generates a new pixel value. I apply a 3x1 matrix to find the minimum for each row. For the first element, the kernel starts from one cell before. Because the value is not present in the new cell to the left, we take it as blank. This concept is called padding, so the first minimum is checked between none 141 and 157. Thus 141 is the minimum, and you see 141 as the first value in the right matrix. Then the kernel shifts toward right. Now the cells to consider are 141, 157 and 65. This time 65 is the minimum, so second value in the new matrix is 65. The third time, the kernel compares 157, 65 and none, because there is no third cell. Therefore, the minimum is 65 and that becomes the last value. This operation is performed for each and every cell and you get the new matrix. The kernel size is as in dilation. A 3x1 rectangle cv2.get structuring element is the function used to define the kernel and pass it down to the erode or dilate function. Let's see its parameters. Erosion/dilation type kernel size, point at which the kernel should start. After applying cv2.get structuring element and getting the final kernel, we use cv2.erode and cv2.dilate to perform the specific operations. This is sufficient for today's tutorial. I will discuss in the next tutorial affecting image shareholding, so stay connected. Subscribe, like and share my efforts. Thank for your valuable time.